Hello, friends. Running Kimono here, and I hope you guys are all doing great. If you are headed to Walgreens this weekend, be on the lookout for the following items. By chance, a very good friend of mine who lives in a much bigger city found a whole slew of magic for next to nothing. So we're going to go through the math and digital coupons and how to get the stuff on the cheap. I tried to find similar stuff where I live and there was no such luck. So it's always a your mileage may vary. Obviously, this is the list of stuff that is going to be dropping in the next couple of months. So definitely wait for these drops the next week, the next month. We don't know when. It's Walgreens. Typically, Saturdays and Tuesdays is when they usually mark this stuff down to these extreme prices. Don't be shy to ask a cashier or manager if there's been anything tagged for clearance, because sometimes if they're doing the tagging, they might have a lot of information for you, or they'll be like, go to the baby section, or go to the skincare aisle. They know what's up. And yeah, don't get discouraged. It might happen next week. It might happen next month. So the first item is this Olay Sensitive Eczema Therapy, which is a newer product. It is 90% off at $5.49. If you could find two of them for $10.98, we have a $10 off one coupon. So it'd make it 98 cents for the two or 49 cents per skin cream. Load this coupon because if you run into this and you can find two, I mean, even for $5, who wouldn't want to try this? The next one is this Excedrin. This is a new product. It's called Head Care. 90% off at $1.29. And there's a dollar my Walgreens coupon, so an IVC coupon. So drop it down to 29 cents. I also know there's another manufacturer. So if you can find enough to get you to that $3 mark at 29, so at 29 cents, so 10 of them, you could potentially use that and get them all for free. There was a good lot of them at her store. So how lucky is she? This is another one I was super jealous. These Dove lotions, and I could see at many stores they're just not taken off. Grabbing three of them would be $2.73. We have a 2 off 2 digital, so it'd make it 37 cents for the three. Another piece of information I want to throw out there, you can't do this as a curbside pickup. You physically have to go into the store to buy these clearance products. You can't look for them in the app or try and, do it from home. You got to physically go to the store and look around. That's part of this as well. These Walgreens electrolyte solutions, different flavors. She was saying that if you would buy two, you would get back a $4 register reward. So you'd invest $1.58 and then get back that $5 register reward, making it a $3.42 moneymaker. I saw a couple Instagrammers posting about that. So just be on the lookout for this. It's usually near the kids section, with the baby stuff. Always these electrolyte solutions. So it makes it a $3.42 moneymaker. So definitely be on the lookout for these. Now, one I was so jealous that she found a bunch of these. It is these raw sugar kids shampoo, body wash, that sort of thing, at 90% off for 49 cents. This is an item I know at Christmas time it was also on clearance, but like, wow, she was so lucky. So good for her. I was jealous. So I went out looking yesterday as well because I'm like, wow, maybe I'll be able to find this. No such luck for me. Definitely walk down that vitamin supplement aisle. The Voost multivitamin 20 count for $1.29, if that's your thing. Everything was cleared. And then the postnatal supplemental vitamins, 90% off as well. I've seen this at multiple stores for $3.39. The EOS, a lot of these lip products that are a bit more pricey are at 50% off, not the 90 that we love to see. And then other cheaper food with a digital coupon is the DiGiorno pizza. So lots of the pizzas are clearing out for $6.79. We have a $2 digital, so it'd make that big pizza $4.79. So if this is your thing, and they were clearancing out a whole mess of pizzas, so if you really want a cheap dinner, throw it on the grill and you'd have a really nice pizza. But definitely look for these orange tags in the frozen food section because there's quite a few of them. So that's $3 of savings on this larger pizza. Now, if you'd rather have the smaller one, there's like a smaller hand-tossed pizza. I also saw that on clearance, and I have a picture here in a quick second for you guys. And it is, I believe, the pepperoni one. So it was saving of 50 cents. Not the greatest. $4.49. We have a $2 digital that's attaching. It would make that smaller pizza $2.49. Honestly, the larger pizza is the way to go to maximize food savings. And then I found this at one store, which is this pound bag of the double bubble bubble gum. So it was $4.79 down to 49 cents. And the manager told me that they just got that order in with all this bubble gum, and then they cleared it right away. She's like, I don't know why. And it's like a pound of bubble gum. So I thought, man, that's not the worst deal. I think I might grab them. And then, of course, this is a product I've been seeing everywhere. These blue Takis, Nikocado, where are you? Come and get a full amount of them because they're all over the place and nobody wants them. They should give them away for free. Okay, guys, good luck with this. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.